Hi everyone, the topic of today's class is suffixes. A suffix is a group of letters attached to the end of a word to form a new word or to alter the grammatical function of the original word. Understanding the meanings of the common suffixes can help us deduce the meanings of new words that we encounter. Let's start by looking at derivational suffixes. With derivational suffixes, the new word has a new meaning and is usually a different part of speech. But the new meaning is related to the old meaning. It is derived from the old meaning. The following table breaks down the groups of suffixes into 5 sections: abstract nouns, common nouns, adjectives, adverbs, and verbs, which are all color-coded. Inflectional suffixes do not change the meaning of the original word. Each one has an important grammatical function. Let's take a look at the table. So when S is added to a word, it can either signify that the word is being pluralized, for example, dog and dogs. It is also used for the third person singular in the present tense, such as with the verb like. He likes. Ed is added to regular verbs in the simple past tense, such as the verb work. He worked. For irregular verbs in the past participle, we sometimes add en. So for example, eat becomes eaten. He has eaten. In the continuous form, we add ing. So sleep would become sleeping. He is sleeping. For comparative adjectives, we often add er, such as with the word big and bigger. And for superlatives, we often add est. So big would become the biggest. Irregular inflections lack the suffix entirely, such as the word thought, or have an exceptional suffix for which the spelling must be learned. For example, paid. Now to practice what we've learned. The suffix ed is used when forming a... What is a derivational suffix? The suffix li is often used to form... Which suffix is used to convert a verb into the person performing the action? Inflectional suffixes change the meaning of the word. True or false? Explain the meaning of the following suffixes. Make these words longer by adding an appropriate suffix from the box. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.